Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add core on MetaMask. Now it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then go to your MetaMask. After that, just simply click on this network option right over here and then click on add network. Now you will have two options in order to add core network. So firstly, if it is available right over here, just simply select that, or just simply add it manually by using this option, or just simply go to a website called chainlist.org and then just simply search for the network right over there and make sure you connect your MetaMask first. Then just simply search for core. After that, you will find it right over here. Click on add to MetaMask. Then a pop-up will appear. After that, just simply click on approve. Then switch network and that will do it. So if you go back right now, you will be able to see that you have added the core mainnet into your MetaMask account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.